And organization name should be your full name, not the Cqu University.
Yes.
And common name will be exactly like this, myuni.edu. And email address should be your Cqu University email address.
So
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Your means any
Email
Our.
Your email address.
Oh, okay.
And other things have to give back.
Sir, like the CQ mail address.
Yeah, your Cqu email address. Looks, I'm going to give like, this is the country name, I'm going to give AU is the default one.
Okay.
State is the NSW.
Okay.
And locality is the Sydney.
Okay.
Organization name will be your name, I'm going to give my name.
Okay.
And organization unit name you can give anything, whatever, IT or something like this, because it's optional. Common name should be www.myuni.edu. Make sure.
Okay.
And email address should be your
Yours.
email address. This is my email address.
CQ mail.
Yeah. And do not set the password.
So what to
Do not set Chinese password actually. You can set up the password, but do not give any password.
Just exit.
Skip. Yeah, skip.
Skip
Also
is
skip. Enter. So we have created certificate signing request. Look at the assignment, so this part done. And then we created a particular file. This is done. In my case, it's a different one, but in your case, this file, the certificate signing request.
Depends on that.
Yes.
Okay.
Usually what you do, okay, this signing request we send to
Yes, sir.
but now we are not going to send this one to the CA. The next part, what you have to do, you have to set up a particular CA. You have to create a particular CA. In which node? Node 3. And then for setting up the CA, you need to create a particular key pair for the CA. Before you have created the key pair for the organizations, my uni website. Now this is the key pair for the CA. Now this one looks like this instruction, okay, this one, if you go here, okay, this one you'll find in 12.3.1. Whenever you set up, you create a certificate for 3. Is it 12.3.1? Now let's highlight this command. It's the same command, but I'm going to create a particular key pair for the CA. What will be the file name? According to the assignment instruction, they said, okay, it will be the student ID dash CA dash key pair. Before you have given only key pair, but only CA, am I right? But in this case, I'm not
Can
going
you share
to.
the link, bro? Like
Let's,
uploading to the Google.
I'm going to right click.
Okay.
This is the CA key .pen. Only here you have to change it, am I right? What will be your file name?
Our
Student ID dash CA dash KPR.
Keep
My case is CA key.pen. Enter environment. Now everybody can see what you have done. I have created so far 3 files, am I right? Try to understand. In my case, this is the my uni private key. And this is the CA private key. And this is the certificate signing request for the my uni website. So to get a certificate from the CA. So next, look at this section. Next, you have to go. Just now CA need to get a certificate for himself. CA will not send to another CA. CA is going to get the certificate from himself. It's called self-signing request.
Okay.
So what is the command? This is the command.
Open SSL request. This one. Right?
Yeah, this is the command. Looks exactly the same thing. This is request is the program name, application name. According to this is the options, new certificate, and this is according to X509 standard. This is standard. Exactly the same. Yeah. You don't need to change anything. This is the key. Here you have to supply the CA private key.
CA key pair.
Yeah, in your case it's a student ID dash CA dash KPR.
Okay. Okay. And out.
And out. In my case we have given, but we have to give the output according to the instructions. What is the instruction? ca.start.net.
Third. Okay. Third.
This is the certificate for whom? For CA. only that part you have to change. Now let's go, okay, I'm going to copy everything and then the certificate will be valid for 1095 days. If we didn't mention, according to that assignment, we didn't mention anything, but you can change it. But my advice, only change the file name only. Then also check it, whenever you want to issue a particular certificate, system will ask these questions.
Then we have to provide.
You can give the AU, NSW, Sydney, and then you can give Cqu University, CA is Cqu University, and you can give as it is, no problem. Whatever the information is there, you can give exactly the same thing, because this is for the CA, right? So I'm going to right clicks, hit the enter buttons. AU is the default, even if you enter it, okay. Is the NSW.
Yes. So if we write enter in the first one,
Yeah,
it
it
will
will be
automatically be AU.
Yeah, okay, you can see that default. And organization name looks okay. You can give the organization name is Cqu University, right?
Yes.
Somebody want to highlight it, right clicks and copy, that also can be done, because we are using the party.
Oh yeah, we can only do it writing, not.
Now please use the party, otherwise you have to type. And organization unit name, you can also go and you can say unit name is unit, I can give exactly the same thing. Certificate authority, right clicks, copy, and go over there and paste. And common name, they say, okay, let's go, we can give this one. Right click, copy, and email address also I'm going to copy from there. cqe.edu, but you can give anything, it doesn't matter. So like,
But it doesn't have to be.
no,
It's
it's
like
same.
the old one.
Yeah.
No.
So done. Now tell me exactly what you got.
We got.
CSR, this is the certificate for CA.
Yes.
But in your case, this file name will be different one, right? In your case, CA certificate file name is this one. Student ID, CSR.pem. This is the certificate for the CA. Now what you have to do, check it. Now you need to use the CSR file. Now CA is ready, right? CA is ready. Now what you have to do? You need to issue the certificate for the My University. Now you have to go to the jump to 12 point. Now next thing is looks you need to create a demo. Demo is a directory. Look at this is assignment except we said in the assignment we said except after that what you have to do you need to set up a directory demo CH okay, and then looks we have already done this one, but let's go and create a demo CH okay.
So,
Demo,
sorry.
yes.
So we can do like the bottom thing first and then the top.
And then follow the instruction. The one I have given it.
Okay. We don't have to follow this.
No, not really.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Okay, look at this again. Demo CA exactly same thing you have to do. What you have to do is okay. You need to create a directory demo CA under demo CA starts CRL new starts private, and then you have to create a particular file index or txt, and then you need to send 02 into the file serial, and then you need to move this file into demo CA directory, and you need to move CA private key to this particular folder, to the private folder.
And it will be based
In
on
our
our
case,
name.
yeah, only looks okay, only here you have to change it.
This in the bottom.
Yeah, this is the CA certificate file name, you have to change it, and this is the CA private key, only these two need to be changed only. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy and paste. Looks, I'm going to keep side by side so that I can do it quickly. Looks, I normally actually do like this, so that I can do it like simply highlight. I'm not going to change anything, but you have to change only which line.
CSR.
Two lines. Everything else is the same.
Last two lines.
Are the last two lines. One of them is a CA certificate file name, another one is CA private key file name. In my case, I don't have to do anything.
The file name, the file which we have created already, right, sir?
Yeah, you have already created.
Okay.
You have already created all of them.
I'll get the file.
040
Next, what do you have to do?
550
Sorry?
550
Okay, after that,
9677.
967.
you have to change one of the
What's
config
your-
files. I'm going to tell you, everybody looks carefully.
NABIN.
More than 50% student
Yes, sir.
will do the mistakes here.
Okay, sir.
You should not do. Those who came in the class, you should not do. So this is the file,
Yeah.
config file you want to modify. But exactly, now is the editor, is in the editor, you're going to open the
Where did you
config
go?
file to change it.
Iris Park.
You don't need to change anything, just like copy and
I'll
paste
call you
into node
afterwards,
number,
sure.
which node? Node number 3. I'm going to maximize so that you can see clearly. Now here what change you have to do? Looks, there are 3 things you have to change. 3 things. First thing, okay, you can see below the policy underscore match. Policy underscore match.
Optional,
This
supplied
one
optional.
should be exactly same. Country name will be match. Few of them will be the optional. Common name will be supply.
Supplied, yes, sir.
Exactly same one. This is one of the change. The
Match.
2 other change is not mentioned here, but you must have to change 2 other change. Let's go. You can see what are the other change you have to do it. But first change you have to do, if you want to come here, if you go down, looks, write down clearly, everybody write down it. These are the change I have to do. The first change you have to do next to certificate. Next to certificate, can you see the headings? DIR, this is my CA certificate file name. Tell me, in your case, what is your certificate file name?
Student ID.
Student ID, sort, dash sort.
CA certificate file name. What is the CA certificate? Dash CA
Yes.
dash sort.pam. In your
Okay.
case, is a different one.
Okay, sir.
So in this case, you must change these one, only these one. This one must be replaced
With
with
the
student ID dash CA dash
sort.
sort.pam.
Sir, so if we like we already provided that thing, like so
But
we
here
already-
config file you have to change.
oh, we have to change it. Okay.
Other config file will not be able to recognize.
Okay.
Okay, next change you have to do the private key of the CA. Can you see the private underscore?
yes, sir.
This is the CA private key, remember.
Yeah.
Tell me what is the CA private key?
Uh,
Student ID dash
Dash.
CA dash KPR dot
Pam.
pam. This one must be replaced with the CA private key. This is the 2 change, and next change will be, what is the next change? Next change you have to, sorry, next change will be, you have to go to the policy underscore match. Now if you have to go down, you will find policy underscore match. Can you say policy underscore match?
yes, sir.
Policy.
Yeah.
Policy underscore match.
Optional, supplied. Yeah.
So it will be, before looks already have changed this one.
Yeah, we changed it.
It can be different, but make sure
It is
you
same.
need to do exactly like
The
this.
same.
Am I right?
Okay.
So it will be simply, if it is optional, it should be matched. But if anything different, it must be exactly same as.
Okay.
Then you need to press Ctrl X. Then system will ask, you have changed. Then save it. But I didn't change anything because I have already changed it.
Okay. If we change, then it will
Yeah,
ask yes or
correct,
no.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next step. Next step is, okay, now what you have to do? You need to issue a certificate for my uni website.
Yeah.
Now, if you have to go to 12.3.2, which again, you'll go down. This is the command to issue a certificate for my uni website. This is the command, looks. Under 12.3.2, the third command.
Okay.
So first command and second command we have already executed, am I right?
Yes.
This is the third command. This is the command. Now, so what is the meaning of this? OpenSSL CA is a program name. Input file will be certificate signing request. Tell me, what is your certificate signing request file name?
It should be secured.
Student
Signing
ID.
request file name is, this is the one. Student ID that's csr.pam.
Yep.
In your case.
Yep. Yep.
But my case is different. My case is different. Sorry. So this is the certificate signing request file name. And you are going to issue a certificate for that my unique site, then output file name should be not this one. What will be the output file name? Whenever you have to issue
Student
a
ID.
certificate, we said file certificate file name should be
Student ID start.pem.
start.pem.
Yes, sir.
This two you have to change it. So, but I'm not going to change anything because I don't have to change. Simply I'm going to copy this one. I'm going to go to note number 3. I'm going to. Everybody came to know. This
Sir.
is your certificate signing request file name.
Sir, we'll change it just after the out, yeah? Next to out, yeah?
Out, okay.
Next
in
out.
and out, both you have to change it.
Yeah, just next to in and out, yeah.
In and out, you have to change it.
Yep.
Because the name is changed,
Yeah.
No, I didn't change it anything.
No, in our case.
but the certificate.
In our case, it's different.
Have I changed anything?
I think so. Sir, yes. So it should be cert dot pen. CS. No? This output would be CS cert dot pen.
No. In my case, I don't have to do. What change I have done?
Insert private CD.
Have I did the mistakes here? Look at this again. Let's go. You can compare again. Sorry, not this one. OpenSSL CA. My input file is search example.com. Oh, one of the things I'm telling you, before executing this command, another command you need to run. Because you can see this is the
Example.com.
okay, sorry, this is the CS exactly the same thing. Oh, that's fine. Start example.com start and out is a start www.
So example and .com would come.
Yeah. They said it's okay. Using configuration from library open file.
Configuration.
Which file is not there?
So the second one, I think. Output.
Oh, index. Index file. Have I done any mistakes? Index file.
No.
Looks make directory is on CERTS CRL new search private serial CSR CA key. Then let's go and open. Have I changed anything here?
I don't think so, sir.
Have I changed certificate CSR? Private key, private CA key dot open. This is supplied commonly. Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine, no problem. What mistake we have done? Let's go. ls at demos here. ls demos here is there. ls demos here and search. I have kept the file. Search. Oh, I didn't keep the certificate file. That's the problem. That's the problem. Search.
मैले कहिले गर्ने भन न मेरो कसरी छ म काममा जानु परेन तिम्रो 6 बजे मेरो 5 बजे पुग्यो 4:30 बजे काम अनि मैले कसरी गर्ने भन 10:30 11 बजिसक्छ म त ट्रेनमा भ्याए मात्र त्यहाँदेखि ट्रेनमा मरे भ्याउँदैन
Yes, they kept it. And I also kept.
बट तिम्रो त भ्याउने चान्स छ भन न
Anything I missed? Check.
के
Let me check.
तो अल्छी यार तिमी त्यो अर्को असाइनमेन्ट त गर्न सकिन्न होला
Have I executed this command? This command have I executed? Yeah, I have executed.
Yeah, you have executed, sir.
Anything I missed or not? This command I have done. The problem is happening only this one.
Have you?
Yeah, we have done this one.
Okay, yeah, we did.
We have done in the beginning.
In the beginning, yeah.
In the beginning. The program is showing all the files are correct. I think somewhere we have made a mistake of the file name. That is.
Sir, maybe you have created the file already, that's why.
Which one?
The certificate, the example.com.csr you have already created last time, so maybe.
There can be some conflict actually.
Maybe that's why, sir.
There can be some conflict.
Yeah, because of the last time.
But I think before starting, sir removed everything. All
No
the
such
files.
file.
That is the rule.
No, they said if some of the file is not no such file or directory. User open SSL